Yung last digit, di ba?
Iya po, iya po.
O, pakitanong mo yung pwede.
Na-activate siya din eh.
Ayan na. Ay, hindi pa.
Ay, ang ganda ng buhok ko. Gulong-gulong.
Zag-zag. Store and doon. Pero mas marami yung ano natin, nadaanan natin. Parang dito ko yung nakita yung may spa. Ayan siya, oh. Oh. Hi guys! Sa amenity shopping mall, ma'am. Ano nandyan?
Alin?
Yung amenity shopping mall.
Walang restaurant, saka yun lang.
Oh.
Wala naman yun.
Restaurant Prince? Magsha-shopping ka ng food.
Restaurant.
Ay, gusto ko dyan.
Ewan ko anong na masasatisfy ng mga ano. Hindi naman sila malurunong mag talagang masahe.
Oh, unlike different sa Pinas, ma'am. Yung
Doon kasi sa atin, ang dami nagmamasahe dito. Hindi, parang specialist ng
wow!
Hindi ko nagawa yun dito sa ano, sa Okinawa eh.
Ah, meron din dito, ma'am. Oh, may. Kasi tutubo siya, di ba? Siya yung mag-experiment. Kaya ng cupcake sunod kasi maraming harina si ma'am.
Oo, kaya
Wala. Ano yung... Mahal ko, ma'am. Mahal ko ganito. Kampay, guys. Kampay! We are so bad daw. Na-trigger sila. Hi guys! Ano binili nyo? Ito lang. Tapos pagko-close pa lang sila. Close yan. 6 pala sila magko-close. Book!
Get the book!
Get the book! Book!
Get the
Get the book! Yeah!
Fuck! Sino ka dyan? Eraser, wow!
Interaction. As we all know that students or the kindergartens it's a first stage of learning of every student. So we should be able to help the students know more about their environment, what are around them, and also it builds confidence in speaking.
Just to draw out to be able to communicate yourself. That's why I carry my notebook with me. Role playing. Oh, so the role playing, you went over role playing, which is used quite a bit. I'm not going to say in my I like rabbits and so on. 4 weeks. Also, I like the duck race for choosing the groups. It's a different option than the spinning the wheel. Yeah, and that's about it. So I won't hold you back any longer. Let's go get some lunch, and we'll start back up